The multiple point zigzag is a great mending stitch, but you have to alter a few things to make it actually fill in maybe a hole that you have in your fabric. So on the Singer Confidence machine, select the stitch and then go ahead and stitch it out just to see how big or open it is. You're going to see that it jumps quite quickly down the fabric. So if you had a hole in your fabric, you want to interface it with something behind it. You got to have something to stitch it to. But instead of it being so spread out, make the stitch length much closer to 1. And why not? Let's make the stitch width as wide as it will go. So what it's going to happen here, oh, I think I got a little too close, so I'm going to go up a little bit, is that you're getting nice and close together stitches back and forth all the way down. Now, as your project, as you get a little past where the rip is, what you're going to want to do, sink the needle down, and you can just turn it all the way around and pivot, and then you're going to come back over that area. So especially if it's a bigger circle, you're going to need to kind of work down and work back and forth until you really just are recreating the fabric with stitches. Now the reason I am turning this around is because I can't just back up with this stitch. This is a stitch that doesn't allow backing up, but look how actually easy it is to stitch something like this. And now that area is very well secured and all put back together.